In the vast universe, there exists a planet where lightning never stops striking. This is HAT P11b. Located 123 light-years from Earth, this Neptune-sized gas planet has an atmosphere filled with water, vapor and electrically charged particles. This creates massive thunderclouds that cover the entire planet. On HAT P11b, colossal lightning bolts flash across the sky, so powerful that even the night side is constantly illuminated. The energy of these storms is thousands of times stronger than those on Earth, meaning that if you were to set foot here, you'd be instantly vaporized by superheated plasma. The universe is home to many more extreme and terrifying weather phenomena.